Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi easy at home. First, gather your essential ingredients, including 2 cups of sushi rice, nori sheets, and your favorite fillings. Rinse the rice thoroughly until the water is clear, then cook it according to package directions. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. This seasoned rice is the foundation of delicious sushi. Now let's prepare your sushi rolls. Select fresh, high-quality fillings like thinly sliced fish, crisp vegetables, or seasoned tofu. Place 1 nori sheet, shiny side down, on a bamboo rolling mat. Spread an even, thin layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Arrange your chosen fillings horizontally across the center of the rice. Using the mat, roll the sushi tightly and evenly away from you. Cutting your sushi rolls properly ensures a beautiful presentation. Use a very sharp knife, dampened slightly with water to prevent sticking. Slice each roll into 8 equal pieces, making sure to wipe the knife clean with a damp cloth after every cut. This keeps your cuts clean and precise. Arrange your freshly cut sushi on a platter and serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a dab of wasabi. Enjoy your culinary creation. Here are a few final tips for sushi making success. Avoid overfilling your rolls. Too much filling can make them difficult to close and prone to breaking. Always keep your hands and knife slightly damp to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fillings and flavor combinations to discover what you enjoy most. Remember, practice truly makes perfect, and your rolling technique will improve with each attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.